Jake here from Car Kingdom Southend with a 65 plate Golf in Lapis Blue. Really lovely spec on this. It's got full Volkswagen service history from new. It's completely unmodified. It's also had a manufacturer's warranty on it since it was brand new as well. So a very well kept car. We're going to take you for a walk around tour. So on the front, we've got brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. The alloys have been freshly powder coated, so they are good to go. And the discs have no lip on them at the front. Coming round to the bonnet in the front bumper, we do have some slight blemishes just on the front bumper, some small stone chips that you'll see, and just on the front of the bonnet there as well. So that's a really honest overview of that, but the rest of the bonnet looks very clean. Now on the side here, that looks all clean, and so does the chrome parts across the bottom of the bumper. Brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S on the front there, no lip on the disc, and the alloys have been freshly powder coated, so they are good to go. Coming down here, no marks on the wing mirror. On the driver's side, really clean looking paint, nothing to comment on. And just looking at that rear wheel again, freshly powder coated with a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, brand new, and no lip on the rear disc. And looking around the back of the car, this looks really clean on this quarter. We do have some slight loading marks just at the bottom there, if you can just about pick up on the camera. There's a slight mark just on the back bumper, if you could see that on the camera. But the rest of the boot lid looks really clean, and the exhaust pipes look really good at the bottom also. Coming around to the passenger quarter here, very clean. The paintwork looks in really good condition. Same with the panel up here, so for the age, it's a really clean car. And once again, looking at this rear alloy, unscathed alloy, completely refreshed Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, brand new tyre again. Coming down the side, there is a slight dent just there, if you can see that on the camera. Only if you get up close that you can see it, but the rest of the car looks dent and scratch free down that side. So overall on the exterior, very clean car indeed, and like I said, very well maintained. We'll take you for a walk around tour on the interior. So now looking at the interior, fully loaded car. We've got the full Vienna leather seats, which are heated as well. The bolsters look in very good condition, and so does the bottom bolster there. Slight crease in the middle of the seat. Automatic lights on the front. We've also got the Dyna audio package, and the door cards look all good with no marks across the bottom. Having a look in the middle here, you've got your automatic handbrake. You've also got keyless entry and keyless go with your mode buttons, traction control buttons. Heated seats up here with all your satellite navigation and rear sensor controls. You also got adaptive cruise on the Golf R's and your multi-function steering wheel for your radio. Looking in the back, nice and clean once again, no kick marks on the backs of the seats. Previous owner did not have children. Let's have a look at the armrest. 2 cup holders, still intact, and the leather seats, the condition there looks really nice also. Under the bonnet, engine running and ticking away as it should. Completely unmodified, not even an air intake, which is rare for the Golf R's now. A lot of these have been modified up, but this is still under manufacturer's warranty, so it's very clean indeed.